Hey guys, Brian Schultz here with Cape Falcon Kayak, and in this video course I'm going to show you how to make oars and an outrigger that you can mount onto almost any canoe to turn it into a small rowboat. The oar that we're going to be building in this class has a softwood loom with hardwood blades laminated onto it, and I do it this way because it's easier to build, it's less expensive, it's lighter weight, but it still has plenty of durability out here towards the tip where you actually need it. Now, the geometry for this particular oar and also for this entire rowing system is based on the traditional Adirondack guide boat. I've just gone ahead and slightly changed the dimensions of the loom here to accommodate for the difference in strength and flex and softwood, and I've squared out the upper portion of the loom so this can still be used in the traditional fixed pin orientation, but it can also be rounded off for people who prefer a free-floating featherable oar. Now, the outrigger that we're going to be building in this class starts with a quarter sheet of 3/4 inch plywood. It's really easy to build, and it's also really easy to modify for different body sizes, different canoe types, and also different styles of rowing. Overall, the reason that I designed this course is because even though there's a lot of great small oar plans out there, they don't really talk much about building the oar. And unless you've done it before, building a really good set of small boat oars is surprisingly tricky. So what I want to share in this course is really all the tips and techniques and also all the systems I developed to stay organized so that when you're done with this, you're going to end up with an oar that's every bit as lightweight and finely crafted as anything that you could buy from a professional oar builder, and it's not going to take you forever to do it. Now, additionally here, I've built this process around a basic toolkit that you're going to find in almost any shop, and incidentally, this is the exact same toolkit that I use to build all of my kayaks and my canoes. So if you've already built one of my boats, you can use those same tools to build these oars, and if you want to build one of these oars, later on you'll have exactly the tools that you need to build one of my boats. Now, the curriculum that we're going to go through here starts by a really detailed overview of fixed seat rowing geometry so you can make informed decisions both on the length of your oars and also on the size of your outrigger. Then we're going to get into setting up your workspace, selecting your tools. We're going to talk about making your oar templates, choosing your wood, and then we're going to go through every single step of the process, start to finish. And finally, we've got a plan set that accompanies this entire course with all of the relevant details so you can reference any measurements or any dimensions while you're working through the process without having to rewatch the videos. Now, finally here, one of the coolest things about this whole system is that because it's lightweight and minimal, it's really easy to put on and take off the canoe, and it's also compact enough that it will fit inside of the canoe. So you can head out for a trip where you go rowing, you can put the outrigger away, and you can also use this in normal canoeing mode. So whether you're looking for an alternative source of propulsion for conditions where a canoe paddle just doesn't work very well, or you just want to mix up your fitness routine, this course is going to give you everything you need to make that happen. All right, let's get started.